Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Outlook tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to delay an email in Outlook.com or the web-based version of Outlook. So it's really quite simple if you want to schedule that email for a later date or time. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So here in Outlook.com, let's create a new email. So click on New Mail and we'll put in the recipient's email address, and under subject, maybe I'll just do test. And in the body, maybe just hello. Now I do want to show you, after we schedule this email or delay this email, how to make changes to the email and also how to delete the scheduled email as well. So make sure you stick around for that part. But once we've got our email created here, right here where it says send, don't click on that. That'll send the email right away. But right next to it, you'll see a little drop down arrow. And if we select that, there's two options. The first one is send, and again, that'll send it right away. And the second one is schedule send. This is what we are looking for today. So go ahead and left click on schedule send. And first off, it's going to show you some times that you might have already used recently or some times you might want to use. And you could select one of these if you like. So tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., Sunday morning at 8 a.m. But if you'd like to select a specific time, right down here at the bottom, it's going to say custom time. And you want to go ahead and select that. And in here, it's going to allow you to select a specific date and time for your email to go out. So maybe we want it to go out next week, in a whole week from now, maybe next Monday at, I don't know, let's pick a time here at 10 a.m. You can select that date and time here. And when you're good with the time, just go ahead and hit send, and it's going to delay that email to be sent out. So it's all set up and ready to go. Now I do want to show you how to make changes to that email and delete it if you wanted to as well. So to find that email, over here on the left hand side, you'll see it says drafts. You can select that and you'll see the email right here. Now if you want to fully delete that email from sending, you could select the little garbage can right here and that would delete it. Now if we want to edit the email, we can go ahead and select it here. And maybe we wanted to say something else. Hello, it's Ken. We can adjust our email, and we can also change the time that it would be sent. So if we go to the little drop down here, we can go to schedule send, and maybe we wanted to change the time to something else. Maybe it was the Wednesday you wanted at 8 a.m. You could just go ahead and change that and hit send. And now that'll go out at a different time. So it'll change it to Wednesday at 8 a.m. instead. And really it's that simple to delay emails here in Outlook.com. You are all set to schedule that email to be sent at a later date.